If you want to add a widget to the home screen on OPPO Find X9, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen, and then at the bottom we can open widgets. Now over here we can find some example OPPO widgets that we can use. You can also switch to all in order to find all widgets, but these are related to those that you see over here are related to the OPPO's app themselves. If you're looking for more widgets, then you need to go to home screen widgets. And there we go, we can find pretty much every app that we have installed that actually has some widgets. And if you want to add something, you can, for example, tap on the widget in order to immediately add it over here. Or, of course, you can press and hold your finger in order to add the widget the other way. So let me actually demonstrate. So let's say I'm gonna use this one, we can press and hold it. Let's see if it's gonna work. It seems to be actually not working, so maybe I'm gonna go to home screen widgets and choose this one over here. I'm gonna use, let's say, this one, for example. Yeah, in this case, it actually works. We can press and hold it, and then drag it and drop it pretty much anywhere we want to. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.